Want to know the real reason your abs are still hiding? It's not because you're slacking on crunches. You're probably hitting your abs every single day, and yet you look in the mirror and see nothing, just a flat or bloated stomach. Here's the truth that most fitness influencers out there won't tell you. Abs are made in the kitchen, not just in the gym. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what it takes to get visible abs the right way. First things first, everybody's got abs. Yeah, even you, man. The only difference is how much fat is sitting on top of them. Here's a simple truth. Abs visibility is 80% body fat percentage and 20% muscle development. For most guys to actually see their abs, you got to get your body fat down to around 10 to 12%. For women, it's usually around 16 to 19%. That's just the reality, no sugarcoating.
Step 1. All right, step 1, you gotta create a consistent calorie deficit. That means eating fewer calories than you're burning, but don't go crazy with it. Crash dieting will wreck your muscle and tank your metabolism. Keep it slow and steady. Step 2, dial in your protein intake. You want to be hitting around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Protein keeps you full, protects your muscle while you're cutting, and honestly, it makes the whole process way easier. Step 3, train your core the smart way. Forget doing 500 crunches a day. That's not going to cut it. Focus on the big compound movements, squats, deadlifts, overhead presses, planks. These build real core strength. Then throw in some direct ab work 2 to 3 times a week. Hanging leg raises, ab wheel rollouts, cable crunches, and vacuum holds. These moves build thick, dense abs that actually pop once your body fat drops.
Step 4, cardio and daily movement. Do 2 to 3 sessions of HIIT or steady-state cardio each week. But here's the thing people sleep on. Your daily steps matter big time. Get 8 to 10,000 steps a day. Walking is honestly a game changer for fat loss. Don't underestimate it. Now here's a mistake I see all the time. People training abs every single day and then wondering why they're not showing up. Overtraining your abs just makes them bigger, but if fat is still covering them, you're never going to see them. Simple as that. Reality check. Real visible abs take time, guys. For most people, we're talking 3 to 6 months of disciplined, consistent effort, sometimes even longer. But once they show, the confidence you feel, the way people look at you, it's totally worth it. And here's the best part. When your abs become visible, your entire physique looks 10 times better. Even your shoulders and arms look bigger. It's wild. So here's my challenge to you. Stop chasing endless ab exercises. Start chasing a lower body fat percentage while holding on to your muscle. Eat in a slight deficit, lift heavy, walk daily, sleep 7 to 8 hours, stay consistent. Visible abs aren't just about looking good at the beach. They're a sign of discipline, patience, and real commitment. If you're ready to finally see your abs this year, drop abs in the comments below and save this video. You already have the abs. Now it's time to uncover them. You got this. Now go make it happen.